crazy right now. I got my little scarf on my head. But basically, you guys, I'm about to cook dinner. I'm about to prepare dinner. What's on the screen? I'm about to get ready to prepare dinner, and what we're having tonight, I'm pretty much doing lamb chops. So, which is lamb chops, one of my favorite meats. I got my little seasonings and stuff. So I just got butter, onions, and garlic. So basically, I'm trying this new recipe. This garlic, and pretty much gonna fry it in the oven. Pretty much not really fry it, but I'm gonna do like Parmesan cheese. Put it on this. I gotta use like eggs, your shredded cheese, breadcrumbs. So you're gonna pour like the Parmesan cheese into the breadcrumbs, and then you're gonna pour into the breadcrumbs, and then you're gonna dip the broccoli into the egg, and then into the Parmesan and breadcrumbs, and then you lay it on a flat pan and let them fry in the oven. I kind of did my asparagus like that last night, and they was like pretty darn good. So I saw another recipe to do your broccoli, so I'm about to do my broccoli. Yeah, so I'm just gonna put my I'm gonna season my lamb chops, and what I'm using is garlic powder, black pepper, oregano, parsley, and some Epsom salt. I might put a little, oh yeah, I got butter in here already. So yeah, I'll show you guys what my lamb chops looking like once I get done seasoning them. But let me go ahead and do that. Be right back. So I pretty much already added all three of my Parmesans along with the breadcrumbs. They in the bowl. So I'm about to get ready to dip my broccoli into the eggs. Oh yeah, and I did go ahead and season the lamb chops. So this is what they looking like. And yeah, I'm about to get ready to, I want this to sizzle. Let me turn it up a little bit. I want it to sizzle a little bit. But y'all, they're gonna be so good. Y'all, they're gonna be bussin'. And I got me some, if y'all ever been to I think it's called Photo the Child or whatever type of restaurant, they have this chimichurri steak sauce. So bussin', y'all. Y'all ever been there? They use this, and I think I got this from Kroger's or Publix, one of them. But this is so good with lamb chops. And yeah, just want to put y'all on that. So I'm about to get ready to pour. Once this is about to sizzle a little bit, I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's sizzling a little bit. So I'm about to go ahead and prep all of that stuff so I can go ahead and start on this, because I want them to be done at the same time. How you feel me? So I'll be back a little later, y'all. A little crazy, I already told y'all. But don't forget to go ahead and stop what you're doing and subscribe to my channel. Show me some love down in the comment bar. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. I'm just kidding, but anyways, I know it's not too much to do in quarantine, so I'm just showing y'all, trying to create something, show y'all something that I'm doing. But yeah, you guys, I'll talk to you guys in the sizzling now. So I'm about to go ahead and put it inside. Well, I did kind of want my onions to be cooking a little bit. Get a little flavor all the way around. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and place some bad boys in there. I should have used a bigger pan, but this might be enough. So, and then the season. So straight busting. I'm gonna adjust the heat just a little bit, and I'm going to let these bad boys shimmer and cook. Put a top on them. Go ahead and put a lid on them, and let these bad boys cook while I prep everything else, and I'll be right back. Y'all, I don't know if I put y'all on these chips, but these Lay's dill pickle flaming hot flavor, y'all, butter. But anyways, you guys, I already made my prepared my chimichurri. I prepared my chimichurri sauce, add a little vinegar, but my lamb chops are pretty much done, you guys. They look so good. I'm gonna add some little parsley on top, a little rosemary on top, and my, oh y'all, these smells amazing. Y'all, this smells so good. Y'all, look at that. Oh my god. So crisp. Looks so good, y'all. Looks so good. So I'm about to put it on a plate and eat up. Y'all, looks so amazing. I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do this. Y'all, love me some lamb. Y'all see that? Let that cook. Take a little parsley and just pour it on top. Shimmer, shimmer. Look like that. Got my plate. Y'all, these right here because I was snacking on them. It's crazy because I've been searching. I got them one time at Kroger. The next time I went, they was gone. The next time I went, they was gone. Then the next day, they was gone. So I had to go to 2 Publix. Well, I didn't go. Somebody else went. 2 Publix looking for these. Not to all in the same day or whatever. Just running around looking for them. But as time went on, I finally got a bag because they've been running out. I think they like a limited edition or something like that. The guy said. But he was like, a lot of people been getting them. So yeah, y'all, I've been looking high and low for these. Well, finally got them. So yeah, if y'all got them, make sure y'all check those and let me know down in the comment bar what y'all think about them. But anyways, I'm about to grill up. I'm about to finish watching oh sorry y'all, I'm about to finish watching Jane the Virgin. I already seen it, so don't ask me why I'm watching it again. There's nothing else to watch, so I'm about to watch it again. But yeah, I'm about to eat. Mariah pretty much already ate. When I eat lamb, she don't eat lamb. So when I eat stuff like that, certain things, I kind of fix her own little portion, whatever she like to eat. Yeah, because I just let her eat whatever she like to eat. But if we got it, but if not, I mean, hey. More than likely, I always have what she asks for. I know I pretty much shop what she like to eat. So yeah, but think about doing a morning and a night routine, single mom life. I don't know. Let me know down in the comment bar if this type of video you guys want to see. It won't be much, you know what I'm saying? Just a little something, show you some. This is what I do every day, 365, 400,000 times days of the year. You know what I'm saying? Like, think about the same thing every day with me. Cooking, eat, breakfast, lunch, dinner, study, mom, single life, all day, morning, night, all that. But yeah, let me know. About to get ready to eat up. Yeah, and I'll talk to you guys later. Stylish Pearls. Bye. You guys, this is what my plate looks like. I'm pretty much done. I got my sauce, my broccoli and cheese, and my lamb chops. About to eat up. And yeah, you guys, see you in the next video. Bye.